Black Friday deals are almost here, and I've been compiling a list of all the best deals at my favorite retailers, and today I'm going to show you the top 15 items to buy at walmart.com. So let's start with an air fryer. This is really interesting because this glass air fryer has been trending a lot on social media a lot lately. And it's a 16-quart air fryer with a huge glass basket. And then it has multiple inserts. So you can get about 2 layers of food in here. And if you look underneath the top part, the heating element is actually made of a halogen bulb, and it's all stainless steel on there. The knobs on top have settings for timers, temperature, gives a couple recipes for French fries. This is a really interesting non-toxic air fryer for $73. It's a good deal. I was excited to get my hands on this stand mixer because it's $206 off, only $93. But once my hands did get on it, I was disappointed. It seems very cheap to me. The actual body of this is made of plastic and was very lightweight. The bowl was stainless steel, but it was a lightweight steel. And it almost seemed like the paddle attachment and the dough hook were aluminum, not stainless steel. And even the buttons themselves seemed a little janky. So even though it's $206 off, I think what they do for some of these Black Friday deals is raise the price really high and then slash it to look like a great discount, like with this stand mixer, which I would probably pass on. The immersion hand blender, also called the boat motor, if you're an Emerald fan, is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. And this one is $28. And I actually like this one a lot because you get a lot of bang for your buck. You have the traditional blender handle. You have the baby food processor for small jobs. You have a little carafe for blending liquids. You have the whisk attachment, but wait for it, you have the coffee frother attachment. That's a new one. I've never seen that before. For $28, I'd say it's a very good deal. The bad news is, since I ordered it, it's saying it's out of stock. That being said, it might be available at your local in-store Walmart. I was late to the party with the Ninja Creamy, but I absolutely love it. And right now it's $50 off of the white one or $20 off of the black one. You want the best homemade ice cream, you have to get a Creamy. It's thick, it's rich, it's delicious. You do have to plan ahead a little bit. Last summer, we made a ton of protein ice creams using the Flav City proteins that were so decadent. 0 added sugar, low carb, high protein, phenomenal. I would highly recommend scoring one of those. And since we're talking about Black Friday deals, if you want to score some Flav City deals, like I'm sipping on the Fruit Punch electrolytes right now, Friday through Monday of Black Friday weekend, site-wide 20% off. So if you know you love a certain product like the all-in-one protein smoothies, my sleep gummies, load up. If you've been shy to try because you weren't sure about it, now is a great time to try. ShopFlavCity.com. I'll put the link down below. All prices are marked 20% off from Friday until Monday. Check it out. This ain't no cheapo. This is a Kitchenaid hand mixer, and longtime Flav City fans will remember I had this exact red one for many, many years back in Chicago until we upgraded recently to the pink Barbie mixer that we use now. $15 off for a legit high quality hand mixer is really nice. The beaters come out very easily, and bonus points, the cord locks in either position to the left or right, meaning when you're mixing stuff in a bowl, it doesn't jangle around and get in your way. For 35 bucks, I would scoop it for sure. Personal/portable blenders have been all the rage the last couple years, and I totally get it. Well, there's one on sale here for $25. And while I like the fact that it's lightweight and very compact, when I squeeze the actual carafe, it's made of a slightly cheaper plastic. Whereas if I look at my NutriBullet that I get from Costco, it's a very high quality plastic. And while it is heavier and maybe not as portable, this one definitely is on the portable side. I would recommend washing this plastic carafe, hand wash, not in a high heat dishwasher. But for $25, if you're looking for something on the go or something to put your Flav City protein smoothie in, it's actually a very solid deal. This is a deal. A 30-piece glass food storage container and baking dish set for $20. And it's a great brand. Anchor Hocking is fantastic. You get 5 one-cup containers. 3 2-cup containers, all with the lids, 3 4-cup containers, 1 2-quart glass baking dish, 1 8-inch glass pie pan, 2 9-inch pie pans, and 2 6-ounce custard cups with the lids. Whew, that's a lot of bang for your buck. Wow. I use a kettle pretty much every day. Mine is stainless steel from Kitchenaid, but this one I would argue is probably even better. It's a glass kettle. And look around the kettle. Look inside, look in the lid. What do I like most about it? There's almost no plastic. A lot of kettles will have plastic pieces inside the bottom where the water boils. When you're getting 212 Fahrenheit degree water around plastic pieces, that's when the plastic particles and toxins can leach out. The one I got was $20 and it's currently sold out, it says. But if you get the 2.5 liter one, it's an extra $2 and it's very, very high quality. Next up is a French press, which is my preferred way to actually make coffee at home. Over the years, I've talked about not using coffee makers with plastic tubing, not using the Keurigs that use the K-cups that are made of plastic and aluminum. The only negative is, look at the top piece there. It has plastic, and I don't really know why it's there, because after you've plunged it, there's not going to be any particles that would be caught by that small plastic, and I'm not huge on hot liquid touching that plastic as it comes out, but it's still way better than the alternatives. But if you're looking for a traditional French press that for the most part is very, very quality, for $16, this is the one you probably want. Check this deal out. For $18, you get a 40 fluid ounce stainless steel insulated water bottle with 3 different lids, 2 straws, and a cleaning brush. Wow, wow, wee wow. Why do we love this? Well, that's a lot of bang for your buck, but it's non-toxic stainless steel. We have to move away from plastic water bottles, and Easy Swap is stainless steel, but it's also insulated, so it keeps warm for 12 hours, cold for 24 hours, all for $18. That's a really solid deal. Staying in the theme of not liking plastic, I don't like plastic mixing bowls. I like glass or stainless steel. This is a 7-piece set, which technically it's a 14-piece set because there's 7 bowls and 7 lids, and they're all nesting, right? They go from 7 quart down to 0.7 quarts. Very nice if you have minimal space in your kitchen because they nest within each other. Stainless steel is going to be completely non-toxic. It's a way better option than plastic. It is saying that it's out of stock since I bought it a few days ago. Perhaps your Walmart will have it in stock. I've been seeing a lot of these Ember cups lately. I think they're getting quite popular. Recently, Costco had it, and now Walmart has a restored Ember cup for $45. It's $20 off. If you like to keep your coffee or your tea or whatever warm all day, this is sweet. If it stays on the coaster, the charging coaster, it stays warm between 120 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you take it on the road or upstairs, the battery life is for an hour and a half. It actually feels very solid. It feels very hefty. There's no plastic on the inside, so you don't have to worry about toxins. This is a really solid deal for something I've heard people love. To get it for $45 would be a fantastic deal. I think everyone should have a vacuum seal machine. I'm really big on them for food preservation, preventing frostbite on my expensive steaks. I live in South Florida, so if I put flour and nuts in my pantry, the humidity makes them go bad quickly. Well, the one I got was $54. That's out of stock right now, but Style 2 is $59.99. It comes with the machine. It comes with bags, a roll of bags. It also has the attachment to suck air out of a wet moisture or a container, which is really nice too. And it has a convenient cutter on the top also. I will say it did not feel as high quality as the Food Saver brand that I have, which is currently on sale also at Costco. But for $59.99, it seems like a very good deal. There's no way this glass mixing bowl set was originally $100. Like I said earlier, I think they like to mark prices up pre-Black Friday, so the discounts look massive. And we proved it, right? We found this exact same mixing bowl set on Temu for $30, right? Which is way less than $100, but to be fair, it's even cheaper here. It's $21.49 for a 4-pack glass mixing bowl set. What did I say earlier? We don't like plastic. So we had the stainless steel option, or I actually really love glass. It's really sturdy when I'm making my cooking videos. It's easy for you guys to see through them. 4 pieces with the corresponding lid. $21.49 is the lowest you're gonna find. And that, my friends, just about does it for the top 15 things I would buy for Walmart.com Black Friday deals. And I will have a couple more of these coming. I'm gonna do one for Amazon Black Friday deals, and then a general e-com one with all Bobby approved stuff. If you want to score the Black Friday deals for shopflavcity.com, my electrolytes, my protein, my gummies, my immune products, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, 20% off site-wide. Shopflavcity.com, no promo code needed. But that is it. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you with a couple new videos very soon. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love from me to you, and peace. Bye.